Once upon a time, they lived a couple in Ramdurg.
Ram Durga uncle, Rama Durga.
A baby boy was born on 14th of August, before Independence Day.
Gandu Hudugana.
The boy grew up with all the characteristics of Krishnamma.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಹುಡುಗಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಾ?
ಹಲೋ ಬಸ್ಸೆ, ಈಗ 50ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ್ದು ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಿ ಬರ್ತಡೆ. ದೇವರು ನಿನಗೆ ಆಯುರ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಕೊಡ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಧನ ಕನಕ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಆಯುಷ್ಯ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಸಂಪತ್ತು ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಕೊಡ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಿನಗ.
Happy birthday, uncle.
Hi brother, happy birthday.
Tintine! Happy birthday, Anna! Yay! All the wish come true!
Happy birthday, uncle.
He grew up and went to KRSC Suratkalma.
But what did he do there?
Apart from studying, he used to be a hero of the college, fighting its students with the hockey sticks.
हम भी हैं जोश में, बातें कर होश में.
Hi Basu. It gives me a great pleasure on this momentous occasion to wish you a happy birthday. At this juncture, my memory goes back to our good old KREC days when we spent together time in the hostels and the college, in the Bangalore, Suratkal, etc. Then of course when we came back to Bangalore, we were together at Rajajnagar. You were working for KSDL and I was working for ISRO, and we had a great time at Rajajnagar. Then of course those innumerable party occasions at KLST, Kaban Park. See, all along what I have observed, you as a wonderful friend, and I also have observed you as a great father to your children and a wonderful husband to your wife, and above all a nice person. So at this juncture, at this occasion, my message to you is, don't stop laughing because you grow old. You grow old because you stop laughing. So the message is clear: laugh and enjoy the life. And my wish at this point is that let your all unfulfilled dreams of the last 50 years come true. Let the Almighty bless you with all the fortune and the strength to carry on the rest of the remainder part of your life. And today is the occasion. You are turning just 50 years old here. Don't worry, we are all with you. So rather we look at it like this, we are all just 50 years young. So today is the day. You jump, dance, enjoy, whatever possible way you do it, and you should enjoy fully. That's what I want. And once again, wishing you a happy birthday. Last but not the least, okay, don't forget your Annaur. Okay, happy birthday.
Dear Basi, happy birthday. We are also celebrating your birthday here. So let's sing.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mercy. Happy birthday to you.
Blow the candle, Rush.
Blow the candle. One more
time. Come on.
Blow the candle. Cut the cake.
This
Once
is for
again,
you, Mercy.
this is for you. A very happy birthday, and also our love to Kalpa, Vishwas, and Varsha.
Hey Basu. So, 50 years, huh? Well, we are not very much behind you. Just behind you. But anyways, this is your day. So let me express my feelings towards you. You know, you have always been a person who has been following your heart. Right from the time you chose Kalpana to be your wife, the career choices you made, and even starting of Rare Earth. But along the life has also taught you to be practical, and with all the learnings in the life, you have become a mature, sincere, and warm-hearted person. And this quality of yours is what endears you to all of us. We are sure that you are going to be with us as we are going to be with you in the time to come. May God bless you with a long, healthy, and a fulfilling life, and we look forward to spending many more years to come with you. Have a great day. Bye.
ಹಾಯ್ ಬಸ್ಸು, 50ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ದೇವರು ನಿನಗೆ ಆಯುರಾರೋಗ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬೇಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ನಿನ್ನ ರೂಮ್ಮೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ KRECನಲ್ಲಿ 1 ವರ್ಷ ಕಳೆದಿದ್ದು, 4 ವರ್ಷ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿ ಓದಿದ್ದು, ಓಡಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಮರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂಥರ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆನೇ ನಡೆದಾಗಿದೆ. ಸಿಹಿ ನೆನಪುಗಳಂದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಣ. ಆವಾಗವಾಗ ಮೆಲುಕು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸಂತೋಷ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಾನು 100ನೇ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬ ಕೂಡ ಆಚರಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ನನ್ನ ಆಸೆ. ದೇವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿ ನಿನಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ನಿನ್ನ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಮೆನಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ. ಬಾಯ್.
Hi Baswa, I came to know today is a very special day for you. Have a wonderful day, many happy returns of the day. I wish I could be there to celebrate along with you. I just cannot believe it's been such a long time that you've been together, but it just feels like just yesterday, and now you're 50. I will be joining you shortly, so don't worry about that. And now that you've hit a half century, you need to go for the full century, okay? Have fun. Take care. Bye.
Many more happy returns of the day. I've been talking with you more probably here in Bangalore than probably all we talked in KREC. Really very nice talking to you all the time. Very helpful, very supportive. You're actually a big glue to all the KREC folks here in Bangalore. And I wish you a very healthy, prosperous future, and to you, your children, to your business, and many more happy returns of the day.
ಬಸವರಾಜರು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಟು ಯು. ನಂಬಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 50 ವರ್ಷ ಮುಗಿಸಿವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಗುಡ್ ಲಕ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್. ಸೊ life now really starts now. Enjoy your time with friends, relatives, your family. Wish you good luck. So don't forget to take a drink on my name. Okay, good luck.
ನನ್ನ ಕವಿತೆ ಬರೆದವರು ಬಸವರಾಜ್ ಡಿ, 3ನೇ ವರ್ಷ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್. ನನ್ನ ಕವಿತೆಯು ನನ್ನ ಕವಿತೆ, ನನ್ನವಳೇ ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ. ನನ್ನ ಕವಿತೆಯ ನೀನು ಕಾಣೆ, ನನ್ನ ಕವಿತೆಯ ನೀನು ಕಾಣೆ, ದೇವರಾಣೆಗೂ ನೀನು ಕಾಣೆ, ನನ್ನವಳೇ ಅವಳೆಂದಿಗೂ. ರನ್ನ ಪಂಪರು ಕಾಣಲಿಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಕವಿತೆಯ ಕಣ್ಣನು, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರೂ ಕಂಡುದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಬಲ್ಲೆನು ಕಂಡುದಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಕಬ್ಬದ ಹೆಣ್ಣನು ನಾನು ಬಲ್ಲೆನು ಕಂಡುದಿಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಕಬ್ಬದ ಹೆಣ್ಣನು. ನನ್ನ ಕವಿತೆಗೆ 2 ಕಣ್ಣು, ನನ್ನ ಕವಿತೆಗೆ ಮೈ ಇದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಕವಿತೆಯ ಮೈ ನುಣ್ಣು, ನನ್ನ ಕವಿತೆಯ ಮುತ್ತು ತಣ್ಣು, ನನ್ನ ಕವಿತೆಗೆ ಕೈ ಇದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಕವಿತೆಯ ನಾನು ದಿನವೂ ಮುಗಿಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈ ತಬ್ಬುವೆ, ಮಿಂಚು ಹೊಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಳುಗಿ ಮಿಂದು, ಸಿಡಿಲಿನೂಟವ ನುಂಡು ಬಂದು, ಮಿಂಚು ಹೊಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಳುಗಿ ಮಿಂದು, ಸಿಡಿಲಿನೂಟವ ನುಂಡು ಬಂದು, ನನ್ನವಳ ನಾ ತಬ್ಬುವೆ. ನವಿಲು ಗರಿಗಳ ಬಣ್ಣ ಗಣ್ಣು, ಅವಳ ಬಿಂಕದ ಸೀರೆಯು, ಕಂಡು ಹೇಳುವೆ ಕೊಂಚ ನಿಲ್ಲು, 7 ಬಣ್ಣದ ಮಳೆಯ ಬಿಲ್ಲು, ಅವಳ ಕೊರಳಿನ ಹಾರವು. ಎನಿತು ಚೆಲುವಿರಲೇನು ನಿನಗೆ, ನೀನು ಕಾಣದ ಹೆಣ್ಣು, ನಾನು ಬಣ್ಣಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದರಂತೂ, ಚಿಮ್ಮಿ ದೂರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳುಕಿ ನಿಂತು, ನಾಚಿ ಮುನ್ನಿದಳು ಕಣ್ಣು. ನನ್ನ ಕವಿತೆಯು ನನ್ನ ಕವಿತೆ, ನನ್ನವಳೆ ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ, ನನ್ನ ಕವಿತೆಯ ನೀನು ಕಾಣೆ, ದೇವರಾಣೆಗೂ ನೀನು ಕಾಣೆ, ನನ್ನವಳೆ ಅವಳೆಂದಿಗೂ. But I do Basuraj in some way, especially from college days. The Basuraj I know from the college days is someone who is highly energetic, free, loving, enterprising, and highly imaginative. I have some proofs here. I'm reading some poems he wrote from his college magazines. This he wrote in 1984. ಮಾಡಿದವರ ಪಾಪ ಆಡಿದವರ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವರವರ ಕರ್ಮ ಅವರಿಗೆ, ಕಪ್ಪು ಬಿಳಿಯಾಗಲಿ ಬಿಳಿ ಕಪ್ಪಾಗಲಿ, 4 ದಿನ ಬಾಳಲು 4ವರಂತೆ ಇರಲು, ನಿಜವನ್ನು ಸುಳ್ಳೆಂದೇ ಹೇಳಲಿ. There is a deep thought here. There is a sense of right and wrong and sense of individuality here. One more poem in the same magazine. ನನ್ನ ಕವಿತೆಯು ನನ್ನ ಕವಿತೆ, ನನ್ನವಳೆ ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ, ನನ್ನ ಕವಿತೆಯ ನೀನು ಕಾಣೆ, ದೇವರಾಣೆಗೂ ನೀನು ಕಾಣೆ, ನನ್ನವಳೆ ಅವಳೆಂದಿಗೂ. There is a lot of imagination here. There is a lot of expression here. There is individuality here. And that is clarity. That is amazing. Going on to another year of magazine, there is one more poem there. ಭುವಿಯೇ ಸೆರೆಮನೆ ಎಂದು ನಾನು ಸೆರೆಯಾಳೆಂದು ಬರಿದೆ ಭಾವಿಸಿ ಮರಗಿ ಕೊರಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. And it goes on. ಜೀವವೆಂಬುವ ಕಿರಿಯ ಮೀನು ಆ ಬಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಲುಕದೆಯೇ ನುಸುಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ದಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೆರೆಮನೆಯ ಕಿರಿತನವ ಬಳಸಲಾರದ ನನಗೆ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆಯ ಬಿತ್ತರವೇ ಹಿರಿಯ ಸೆರೆ. So he's talking about the freedom and the expression of freedom. So just to build on this, the imagination behind his poems, became an attraction to Kalpana, and he ended up marrying Kalpana. So whatever we saw him during college days, I think he has built his life around that, and that has been amazing. Everybody knows that. So what do I want to talk about his 50th? I would say 50th is a good milestone. One can recognize that probably at the level of body, we may become a bit sensitive. At the level of mind, we may become slow. But it's a great opportunity for our heart to soar, our spirit to fly. So in that sense, I think Basuraj is having a great new beginning, because Basuraj's strength lies in his heart and in his spirit, and that is what will take off now, the heart and spirit in coming days. And his loving family, primarily wife and children, I think are with him. It's a great time. I'm sure that he will have a great success, and of course I wish him all the best of the best. But what I become present here is the innumerable possibilities of his expression that will take shape when his heart expresses and his spirit soars, and that is limitless. And when I become present to that, I almost choke, and I become silent. And to that new future, I can only bow down with humility. Thank you.
It is one of the blessings of old friends that you can afford to be stupid with them. The secret to friendship is being a good listener, and Basavaraj epitomizes that virtue. He's like a star. As you all know, you always don't see stars, but you know that they are always there. Likewise, I know Basavaraj is always there for me. I can even wake him up at 4 a.m. in the morning. Friendship is not about whom you have known the longest. It's usually about who came and never left your side. Basavaraj, we are all so proud of the person you have turned out to be. You have spread so much joy, so much happiness and peace to others. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. In fact, dreams keep you going. The older you get, the bigger the dream you should have. On your 50th birthday, make me a promise that you'll have the courage to live one more dream, fulfill one more wish, and make one more person's life beautiful. May you have a superb life ahead. Happy 50th birthday, Basavaraj. The best is yet to come.
Our man and his friends started an institution.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು?
This is interesting. There he meets his life partner.
Oh.
Hello, my lovely lady, who are you? Who are you? Hello, my lovely lady, who are you? Who are you?
I have come here to join coaching classes. Could you give me the course details?
Sure. And what can I call you? Kalpa or Kalpavalli?
My name is Kalpavalli. You can call me Kalpa.
Just go through the details.
Love letter?
Yes.
Are you a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian?
I'm a non-vegetarian, but except humans, I eat everything else.
ಪ್ರೇಮಲೋಕದಿಂದ ತಂದ ಪ್ರೇಮದ ಸಂದೇಶ ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಡಿ ತಿಳಿಸೋಣ
ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚೋಣ ಆನಂದ ಪಡೆಯೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಪ್ರೇಮ ರಹಸ್ಯ ಹೇಳೋಣ
ಜೀವನವೆಂದರೆ
ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಎನ್ನೋಣ
ಲೋಕದ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಗೆ
ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಕಾರಣ
Hi Dad. See, ಬೆಂಡೆಕಾಯಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಬೀನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೀರೆಕಾಯಿ ಒಂದು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಕೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ತೋಟ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಟು ಯು. ಓಕೆ, ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ 25 ವರ್ಷ ಕಳೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. 50 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಏಜ್ ಯು ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ. ಐ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು. ಓಕೆ, hope to spend more years, many more years with you. Love you lots. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Whoa, super love story.
நான் ஒரு தடவை சொன்னா 50 தடவை சொன்ன மாதிரி. Wish you a very 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 happy golden jubilee 50th birthday. Many happy returns of the day.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ರೀಪ್ಪ, ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ? ಚಲೋ ಅದಿರಿ? 50 ಪ್ರಾಯ ದಾಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲೋ? ಚಲೋ ಆತ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಆ ದೇವ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನು 50 ವರ್ಷ ಚಲೋತ್ನಾಗ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾ ಬೇಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. 50ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
ಕಲಬೇಡ, ಕೊಲಬೇಡ, ಬಿಸಿಯ ನುಡಿಯಲು ಬೇಡ, ಮುನಿಯಬೇಡ, ಅನ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಅಸಹ್ಯ ಪಡಬೇಡ, ಕನ್ನ ಬಣ್ಣಿಸಬೇಡ, ಇದಿರಲು ಹಳೆಯಲು ಬೇಡ. ಇದೇ ಅಂತರಂಗ ಶುದ್ಧಿ, ಇದೇ ಬಹಿರಂಗ ಶುದ್ಧಿ, ಇದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವನ ಒಲಿಯುವ ಬರಿ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ.
Happy birthday to you, Basavaraja.
Hello sir, I'm here to wish you a very happy birthday. Congratulations for finishing 50 years on this planet Earth. Drink a lot, eat a lot, walk a lot, be healthy, have a wonderful day and the year ahead. ಆಯ್ತಾ and but otherwise all seems okay. I mean all seems fine. Okay. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
Hi Baba, many happy returns of the day. Here are the people from different cultures wishing you Namaskara.
Vanakkam.
பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Yay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Cheers!
Hey Baba, happy birthday जी. Butter chicken ready करो जी.
तुसी happy birthday जी. सलाम वालेकुम.
मालिकुम अस्सलाम.
जन्मदिन का बहुत बहुत मुबारक.
अल्लाह आपको खैरत रखे.
Hold on. So the chess champ of Trinity scores a half century. Happy birthday to you. Oh, I just forgot. Your zodiac sign is Leo, right? So Raj is king. Raj is king. Hello? Yes. Sure. Okay. Sure. Yeah. Bye.
काम खाई फोन करता रहता, नहीं तो ईमेल भेजता ही रहता. बिजी लैड सैया, लो कर लो बात. काम बॉस में हाथ घुमाता रहता. टाउ पौधों को ही पानी देता रहता. टाउ इको फ्रेंडली सैया, लो कर लो बात. ಹಾಯ್ ಬಾವಾ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? अयो ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ ಬಾವಾ? अरे यार हमारे देश में पानी की भी कमी है. And ಬಾವಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಬನ್ನಿ, ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ, ಬಿಡಲ್ವಾ? And last but not the least, happy the birthdays.
You know what happened?
What?
There was one boy who's his Chuttuku Pampalu.
Oh, you're so cute.
That is Vishwas.
Hi Dad, today is your golden birthday. You're the best dad in the world. Love you a lot. Take care. Cheers. Happy birthday, Dad. Happy birthday, Dada! Love you! Mwah.
2 years later, there was a cute girl.
Who, uncle?
That is you only.
Not enough.
Hi, Daddy. Okay, now is my hair okay? Fine. Is my dress okay? Appa, you leave my hair, Appa. It's like that with me. After this haircut, obviously fringes will come in front and it will cover my hair. But that's not the thing. Is my dress okay? You're asking why no? I'll tell you. Because I'm Basabraj, the other daughter. That man's daughter, who is kind, sweet, loving, caring, so many things. But mainly, honest, true to himself and to everyone. I'm that man's daughter who will give me everything, who takes care of me like as if I'm a just born baby here. If I tell him I want to dance, then he'll give one performance. If I tell him, Daddy, I'm hungry, he'll tell, let's go to KFC. If I tell him, I'm very bored, I want to go to a vacation. Come, let's go to Dubai. Let's go here, let's go there, let's do Majja. That man is my dad. I'm so proud of you, Daddy. And you've given me everything. You're the reason I'm standing here today. You're the reason I'm breathing. I love you, Daddy. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಬ್ಬದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. I love you, Daddy.
Minded person and a silent performer. Wishing you a very happy 50th birthday. You are only half a century old.
Hi, many happy returns of the day. And I can't believe that in its a golden jubilee. And on this special day, pray that all your dreams and new aspirations come true. And may you live another 50 years. I have known you for almost a decade now, and as a colleague and as a business partner. Over these years, you have been a guide and a mentor for all of us. You have been a good colleague and a friend as well. And on every new opportunity, you bring in the same energy and enthusiasm even now. Which is your strength. I have to thank Sujata and Kalpana, through whom I got introduced to you. Thanks. Cheers. Enjoy and take care.
Go. Namaskara, sir. It's been really nice knowing you. We've been together for 18 years now. You have taught, guided me in lots of things. I have learned sales, worked very hard, facing the ups and downs. I really appreciate the amount of strength, the amount of support you have given me. I wish you all the best. Wishing you many more birthdays ahead. Happy birthday.
ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಸರ್. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ನೀವು. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.
Basavaraj, more popularly known as BD in the community. For us, just Raj. No wonder, as his name suggests, he has all kingly qualities. Soft-spoken and ever smiling. Raj, we're justifiably proud to have you as my friend. Man, you are such a rare creation of God. Very rarely do you find people like you in this earth. No wonder your company is called Rare Earth. Happy birthday, Raj. Have a great year ahead with a lovely family. Cheers.
Hi Raj. What do I say about you? You are such a gem of a person. I think you're one of the sweetest people that we know. I think whenever people look at you, I'm sure they must be having a smile on the face just the way I do, because you radiate happiness. That's what we know you for. And I know you are one of the friends who we can depend on at any point of time. You know, I'm saying that with experience. I have experienced it in the past. And both Viju and I regard you so much. You know, we want to be your friends forever. God bless you, Raj. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, uncle. We love you.
Hi Basaraj, we've known you for so many years. As Ajay's boss, colleague and a good friend, we've shared many happy moments together. I wish you have a long, happy life ahead, good health, prosperity and peace of mind. Have a great year and many more golden years to come. Happy 50th birthday.
Hi uncle, you're already 50? I think you should demand a recount. Happy birthday.
Hi Basaraj, it's been nice knowing you. Have a wonderful year and lots of fun, good health. Happy 50th birthday.
Raj, it's been a pleasure knowing you for the last couple of years. As a person who's always fun-loving and a deep thinker, reaching 50 is a milestone, and I wish you many more milestones to reach. Wish you a very happy birthday. Cheers.
Very
happy birthday. Hi Basaraj. Wish you happy birthday. Kalpana is very lucky because you're so caring and loving. I wish you contentment, happiness and health in your life.
Hi Raj, it's a great time spending with you and with your family. But I see a good person and a heart with you. So this is a remarkable birthday, 50th. I wish you all the success. But I see a good person and a heart with you. So this is a remarkable birthday, 50th. I wish you all the success and.
Hello sir, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. Enjoy your day, have lots of fun.